Yo, what up, people? It's VDoesTech, and I know you saw the thumbnail. We all know why we're here. It's for this bad boy, the Rii Rk707, not one, not two, but 3-in-1 wireless gaming keyboard. Now, this claims to be able to be used on PCs, laptops, smart TVs, Android boxes, and even the PS3. Yeah, not the PS4, but the PS3. Not the 4, but the 3? Huh. Okay, you can find this on Amazon for $28.99 with a $2 discount code, putting it at $26.99. Now, before we dive in, get in the comments and let me know two things. One, do you think this can dethrone, in my opinion, the king, the Rii i4? And two, any questions you may have about this controller, since this is just an unboxing and a quick connection test. Then I'll be back in a week or two with the full review, so consider subscribing so you don't miss that video. But hey, yo, that's enough talking. Let's get unboxing. Let's go. Alright, in the box you get the user manual. Check that out later. You get the lanyard hanging rope thingy. We'll see if we need that. Here's a tiny box. You get the USB receiver 2.4. You will put that to the side temporarily. Looks like that's it. In here is your charging cable. Thought it might be type C, but nope. But there's your charging cable. And the main event. Take that out. Get all crinkly. Let's go ahead and get in here. Nice. And here it is. Yo, that's sturdy. That is sturdy. So let's look around. There's your charging port. Here's where you will put this if you so choose to. Alright, there's the power button. You can see it's backlit. That's off. That's on. Off, on, off, on, clap on. It looks like it's trying to connect right here, but since I don't have anything connected right now, it's not connecting. And so this, let's see if you can see, this is for your keyboard. If you slide it over here, you flip it over, and that activates the gaming part of the controller. Nice. It feels good, but at the same time, I was expecting a little bit better material, but it feels sturdy. Feels like you could take a drop or two. Here goes your L1, L2, and your triggers. Flip it back. This is how you'll get to your keyboard once again. There's your number row at the top. Here's your function, which will activate all of these in the red. Here's your mouse pad. Left click, right click. It feels good, I'll give it that. But yeah, it's just like something's just a little off, like it could feel a little bit better. One thing off top I can already tell is that I will miss the scrolling wheel on the Rii i4. But yo, this isn't a comparison video. This can only do one thing. This can do the gaming side, and then your keyboard side. The gaming side, and then the keyboard side. But alright, let me connect it to something and see what we got. I'll be back. Alright, let's do a quick connect test. Here's the dongle. Plug it directly into the computer. Maybe. There we go. See how long it takes to connect. It's connecting. you hear the ding, 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 ding. Let's go ahead and turn the keyboard on. Oh, there's the orange light. You can see it's connected. Let's hit the backlight. So let's go ahead and let me hit the lights so we can see how bright it gets in the dark. So this is how it would look in the dark. Everything's lit. Everything's lit. Not bad. But let's see if it actually works. Let's go ahead and turn the light back on. Easy enough. Let's try out. Alright, so the mouse pad is working. Pretty responsive. Let's type something now. Let's go. Let's see, Naruto. Okay. Okay. Keyboard seems to work. The pad seems to work. Click on there. Let's see. You can right click right there. You can left click that. Seems to be working. Let's scroll down. Scroll seems to be working fine. Up, down, up, down. Let's see. Let's type out something else. Let's go. What else? What else? I'm having a brain fart right now. Let's go to YouTube. Oh, is that me? Yeah, it is. Go ahead and scroll. Oh, all right. So I'm guessing on here you have to function. Okay, so some pages you may have to hold function and then page up, page down. That works. All right. Let's go ahead and close that. All right. When it comes to connecting to the Nvidia Shield, no luck. You can see the light's flashing. It's not solid. There's the Nvidia Shield. Nothing at all. As far as I know, it's supposed to be plug and play. And I plugged, but there's been no playing. So for right now, no connection to the Nvidia Shield. On the other hand, we do have full connection, full test on the 4K Firestick. Let's go ahead and wait for that to load up. It is loading. It is loading. It is still loading. And we are in. Here's the controller. You can see it is going back and forth just fine. Maybe you can't see. Let's go ahead and hit the lights real quick. Let's go ahead and put that down there. Ooh, let's see. How do I flip? That's how you flip. Let's drop that. Oh, no, no. Let's bring that down. Seems to be working just fine. Let's get a little bit close so we can slag that in at the boom. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and nice. Let's see. Where do I put this? Let's see how responsive it is. It's rotating just fine. Oh no. Screw it. Let's go right there. Boom, nice. Okay, so it seems to be pretty responsive. Let's throw that there. What's next? Let's throw that there. Let's throw that there. Okay, let's put that there. Yeah, boy, Tetris Master. Alright, I'm gonna need a shape soon. It's getting kind of close. No. Let's put that there. Ugh. Throw that there. Yeah, buddy. Let's put that there. That can go there. Yeah. Boom. What better way to end? But alright, I'm gonna finish this level, play some more, test this out, and I'll be back in 2 weeks. I'll catch you later. I'm out. Later.